Yo, yo, what up? What up? One second. Whoo! What a week. What a week. Insane week, man. I hope y'all made a shit ton of money. Seriously, I hope y'all made a shit ton of money. Cause this was one of them weeks. It was definitely one of my record breaking weeks. Oh man, truly blessed. Insane week, man. Um 14 and 0. Every trade hit. Every single one hit. They went so crazy. I just snapped back and forth. Hell, I dropped two more trays today. I mean, I was just in the zone this week, man. Crazy week. Um, Crazy week, man. So getting started, y'all. As always, if y'all are new to the streams, make sure y'all are following us. That way y'all don't miss out on any future telegrams. I'm sorry, any future streams that I drop for y'all. As well as if you look down below, you'll see the link to our free Telegram chat room, where I'm a little bit more active. I have dropped some signals for y'all in the chat room too. So if you're not in the chat room, you're missing out on some free money. As well as our email down below. If you have any questions, y'all can shoot us an email. The broker that we use is also down below. So if you guys are looking for a good broker, our broker is down below. Cool. All right, so I'm gonna go over a few things with y'all today. I'm gonna share some upcoming things with y'all, that I'm gonna be doing just for the community in general. This is for everybody. So this is for the people that are watching right now, on TradingView. For the people that are completely new to trading, never traded before. You know, everybody in the actual, all of our students, everybody in the chat room, everybody, right? So I'm gonna give y'all that announcement, and then we're gonna go over these charts as well. Cool. So we'll go over the charts first, and then I'll let y'all know about the opportunity. It's going to be something that y'all definitely want to stick around for because nobody's doing it. No, nobody's really helping y'all like y'all really want. Like people come in this industry and y'all really be looking for like a miracle or a unicorn, and there really ain't no unicorns. But what I'm gonna share with y'all is probably the closest y'all gonna get to a unicorn, which is you know me. So. I'm gonna share with y'all the opportunity of what I'm gonna be doing for y'all and what I'm already doing for the community. So it's actually already happening. Like I've already been doing it for over 200 people, helping them make a lot of money for free. So I'm gonna share with y'all that opportunity. But for now, let's go ahead and dive on into these charts. Cool. So basically, just updates for today. I'm gonna give y'all a new update on the DXY and what I expect for it to do, which I already gave this out to the team, and they already knew what we were expecting. Cool. So um, first off, man, OddCat, beautiful trade. We bought it up originally from here, then we watched for the correction, and then we bought it up again this week. Beautiful trade. We literally took both of these buys, one from the five wave and the harmonic, and then the secondary from this week's trade here. So, boom, fire trade there. What else did we have? Don't think we had an odd NZD. We did have an odd USD fire trade on odd USD as well. I gave two scenarios. So one scenario was actually live on a stream where I gave y'all the update where price action was right here, and I gave y'all this opportunity here with stop loss and everything. And literally from that stream, it shot straight up to TP. And then the original analysis that we've been holding from the swing played out for the double bottom off of the ABC pattern and then took off to hit full TP at the top side. So beautiful trade on odd USD this week. CAD CHF, this one pushed. This is actually the only one that came back to entry on us. This one did push up for us and gave us around 29 pips on the push up and then came back to entry and ended up closing us out at entry. Beautiful trade overall. I am still expecting this to go towards the upside. We're just more than likely going to get a little bit more consolidation before we go up. So this is probably about to go in a little bit more of a corrective structure before it actually heads towards the upside. So we'll probably look to rebuy it more than likely down here, depending on how price action reacts. But it'll more than likely the entry would be back down here. So I'll be watching this kind of on the side. But that's CAD CHF, CAD JPY, another fire trade that we took towards the beginning of the week. If I'm not mistaken, I think this started off our week. This or AU, one of those started off our week. But fire trade on CAD JPY, man, straight to the money. I don't know what to say, y'all. Beautiful trade on this one, man. Again, if y'all are not following us, make sure y'all are following us on TradingView. That way, y'all don't miss out on any future trades that I put out for y'all or any streams. I did drop y'all a handful of trades this week on the actual platform. So where did we go? So for example, where's your odd? This is another I'm gonna show y'all, but I'm just show y'all for now. CAD, where is it? CAD JPY, which is the one right here. So I actually put this on the TradingView platform. Boom. So if you're just following us on TradingView, you would have made money this week just off of that. I put that on the platform this week. Look at your odd. I put your odd on the platform this week. Fire. I put CAD CHF on the platform this week. As y'all can see, it pushed up pretty decently. Even from now, from the original, this was the original entry that I gave y'all from the platform, first of all. So even from the original entry, it hasn't come back to entry. So this is just what I showed y'all was a secondary entry, but the original entry was here. So as you can see, it's still in profit for those of y'all that enter from the TradingView. So more money for y'all there. Also had a CHF JPY as well. Another fire trade here. Boom. This beautiful week, man. Just beautiful week all together. So boom, that's that CHF JPY. Ended up finishing nicely. We actually took profit literally right here on this one. Deep correction. Just kind of want to skip that and then a redrop. So beautiful trade on CHF JPY. I haven't even counted the pips because it is just a lot of pips. Let's see, that's 164. Let's see. I'm pretty sure we're over 1,000 pips this week. And that's probably not with gold. That's like no gold. So it's 164. We'll count them. Pretty fire week. So we'll count them out. 164, 70, what, 74 ish, 75 ish. There's no 72. Boom. I'm not even gonna count that, but y'all can see that's the original entry, but I'm not even gonna count that. We're just gonna count what made money. Odd USD. This is 121 pips. We had 357 now. Odd CAD, 106 pips. We have 460 pips now. Euro odd, nice push up towards the beginning of the week. Midweek during the live stream, I let them know that price action was more than likely going to head down and then push back up, and it's literally done that. But from this week, we were looking at the upside move. This has pushed up. And for those of y'all that just hopped in this, potentially y'all grab maybe 105 pips. Let's just say worst case scenario, y'all grab maybe 60 pips, right? Let's just say it's not even 6, it's like 80 pips. So worst case, y'all caught 80 pips on that one. So now we have 543 pips for the week. What else did I give y'all? I gave y'all Euro USD. Hey man. Hey man. What a fire fucking week. Jesus, this doesn't make no sense. We have been trading these pairs every single move all the way down. We sold this down. We sold wave 4 down. We bought wave 5 up. We sold this down. We bought this up. We just sold. We bought this up twice. We bought the original buy here, and then we had a secondary buy here for the week. Oh no, it actually was it there? No. Oh, insane week. 3 buys on Euro USD. 2 buys this week and a sell on Euro USD. We bought it up here for the first buy. We tried to catch this one, but it came up short. So this one here is actually here. I'm not even making this shit up, y'all. I'm really not even making this shit up. So this is the one that came up short. But the original buy, the secondary buy was from here. This is the one that came up short. Boom, just shot up, right? So boom, just shot up. Then we sold it down. I mean, insane week. Insane. We're just gonna skip Euro USD because it's a lot of pips on Euro USD. We're just not even gonna count that. Just because I don't even feel like going through it. So Euro USD, just fire, man. This was about a week or so ago. Another fire trade. GBP odd. I mean, this was playing out perfectly. Looking for a sale from this top area. Then I was looking for a retracement this week up into this range, and more than likely going to look for a continuation down. Just more fire, man. GBP CAD, another fucking fire trade. We actually just took profit on this trade not too long ago. Literally right here, right before the market closed. It was literally right here on this candle, and we grabbed 100 pips. So that is another 100 pips. We had 643 pips right now. What else do we have, man? GBP NZD. This is actually a new one. Just put that out today. We didn't have a GBP CHF. This is just something I'm watching right now, but we didn't have that. GJ, we did put out a GJ, so GJ dropped. But I did share this with the actual signals team, so I'm not even gonna count this. But it's 207 pips. But I'm not even gonna count that. But this was a live stream trade, just like GBP NZD, not GBP NZD, GBP THF. It was just something I was looking at. I did give out GU, so I did give out GU this week. Beautiful trade on GU, 77 pips right there. Another fire fucking trade. I did give out USD as well. I mean, damn, y'all. We sold it from here. I told y'all to look for a reaction from here. What are we doing now? We're reacting. This is getting crazy, man. I put a lot of work into this though, y'all. This is not no overnight success. This is I put my life into this shit. Like 9 years, every single day. I don't go out. I don't do nothing. I'm on this chart this Friday. Everybody's outside. I'm in here grinding. So this is not no overnight success. This shit, it was not easy. It took me a long time to get here. It took me a very long time. All right, cool. With that being said, another fucking fire trade that's in money. But I already told y'all to go ahead and wrap it up soon because this might be looking for some type of pullback, especially as we see Euro USD drop. I'm gonna show y'all a new DXY, and that's gonna kind of explain why we expecting this pullback. Cool. Just more fire though. UJ, another banger. Not even gonna count it though because it's 135 pips, but it missed us by three pips. I fucking gave the trade out right here. The bitch retraced, but it didn't. We missed it by what 5 pips or so. Fucking melted, man. 135 pips. It's all good though. More fire though, man. More fire. NZD Cat, another one we in right now. Right now we are currently floating 53 pips. So we're gonna count another 53 pips to the roster. We at 773 pips. This is just straight forex. No NZD JPY. We did have an NZD USD. We did close this early. I think it was we closed it real early. I'm sorry. We closed it real early. That's my fault, y'all. I just want to secure the bag because we had so many fucking trades. I just wasn't even like, we just grab what we can grab on some of these and just let it go. But we took profit like right here. So it was like 40 pips. It's all good. But it definitely shot up 100 plus pips. And we were definitely looking for it to come all the way up here. So as of right now, I'm looking for probably just a short term retracement, then a continuation up more than likely. But more fire, man. Beautiful trade on that as well. And I think that's it. That is it. So we're going to finish off at around 813 pips. Of course, we didn't count some of these trades like GJ, EU, um, you know, UJ, which were hundreds of. GJ alone was 200 pips, but whatever. So Fire Week, man. Let's go over the DXY real quick so I can show y'all kind of what's going on, so that'll give y'all an idea of maybe some next moves that y'all can be looking at. Cool. So DXY. Right now, we've traded every single move on this. Okay, so down from the down all the way up. Okay, so I just want y'all to keep mind of that, and we have not got none of them wrong. Not to say we can't get them wrong, but so far we've been on fire. I do specialize in the dollar, so just for those of y'all that are new to the streams and don't know that, I mainly trade the dollar pair, so this is mainly my playground. Cool. So we were looking for price action to head up from wave 4 into wave 5, and then we were looking for a double top at this area and then a drop. We got exactly that. I let the team know literally this when we took the measurement. So I started measuring out the double top when we were right here. So we got the right shoulder and we measured it out, complete fall, meltdown. Next thing we were looking for was a break below this low, and then we were looking for the actual shift in trend to confirm wave 5, right? So at that point, we then started to identify a structure and price action. So we started to see price action start to form this bearish corrective structure. Cool. I'm sorry, bearish continuation structure. All right. And so at that point, we were then looking for price action. So this was like down here. So then we were looking for price action to react in this range and then drop. I literally told y'all, for those of y'all that are actually in the streams and members, if y'all watch my streams, I save all these for a reason. First of all, I save all the streams for a reason, so y'all can always go back, review them, just in case you're at work, you're busy, if you need to see what maybe last week's trade was, how the overall view was, whatever, you can always go back to them. I go over this. I always go over usually the dollar and all the streams, but I go over these in the stream. So all of this is in the streams on our page. But I went over this. I told y'all look for a double top right here. Boom, double top. We fail. Told y'all look for a correction, then a continuation down, and then damn, we just did exactly that. So at this point, y'all already know. I told y'all we were looking for a reaction right below wave 4, And then also on this higher time frame weekly TL, I don't trade trend lines or like that much, but it is something significant, so I do have it on my chart. Cool. So outside of that trend line, what I'm mainly looking at is structure from a wave perspective. So we didn't get the small retracement, we got the bigger retracement, and we are all the way at the furthest extension. So price action really can't go further than this level, or it would invalidate basically what I'm looking at technically. Right now, we are due for a retracement, and this is more than likely where it's going to happen. So for NFP, we got that spike down and then that push up. So right now, we should start to hold and then start to push back up into this range. So what I want y'all to look for is retracements on the dollar pairs, right? As of right now, we're going to be looking at a retracement up into this zone. In this zone, we then have to make our next decision. Right now, we're either going to go with an A, B, C in price action structure. And what that is going to do is then send price action all the way back up here, right? If we don't do that, we're going to end up going with that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This level is going to be key because we have to determine on if it's going to break or bounce, right? So as of right now, what I do know is that we can expect a reaction here because it's either going to be C or it's going to be 3, right? So one of the two is going to be. So we should get some type of reaction into this range, and then we'll make our next decision. Wave 4 usually taps at the beginning of wave 1, or it goes somewhere about 25% into wave 1, or it goes about 25% before wave 1. So pretty much this whole box highlights that range. So anywhere in this box is where I'm going to be looking for potentially wave 4 to establish if price action doesn't want to continue all the way up for a full wave C. Either way, right now, the only trade that I'm going to be mainly focusing on is going to be the actual buys. Once we get here, I'll look at price action, reassess everything, look at structure, look at any patterns that we're getting, because this box is a reversal box. So what I put in the box is area of interest, look for reversal. So if we get a reversal pattern in the box, we're more than likely going to reverse. So that's what I'm going to look for once we get to the box. If we don't get that pattern, I'm going to be looking for a continuation up, right? But as of right now, we're going to be looking for trades on the dollar towards the upside. So what you should be looking for, like I showed y'all, is Euro USD to head towards the downside. So this week, upcoming week, what we'll look for is Euro USD to continue down. Euro USD loves head and shoulders patterns. So as of right now, what I'm seeing is a head and shoulders pattern to form. So we'll more than likely see something like that, the head, and then more than likely get a right shoulder and then a continuation down. So what I'm going to do is more than likely look for that continuation and then the further movement towards the downside. Cool. So, and I'm just looking for this short term into this range. I'm not even looking for it to take a new low. Even though it can, I'm not looking for that. I'm just looking for a short term push towards the downside. We do have a intra 5 wave pattern also showing as well. So a lot of confluence, and we also have a bearish butterfly pattern. I mean, the confluence on Euro USD is solid. So y'all need to look for that correction and then continuation down. That's just Euro USD. So as of right now, that's really all I got for y'all. I'm going to share with y'all one other new chart that I will be looking at next week, which is new and fresh, and we are currently active in this trade. We just went ahead and entered it towards the ending of the week, just to hold it off, like hold it into next week. I'm sorry, just letting it run type deal. So GBP NZD, I'm looking to we're already buying this, but our entry is at 2.08050. You'll see here it's in gray. Our TP is at 2.09630, and our stop loss is at 2.07447. So I'm looking for a further continuation up on GBP NZD, and I'm also looking for invalidation of this head and shoulders pattern. So it shouldn't form a head and shoulders. We should actually impulse up and break. At worst, we get slight consolidation and then a push back up. Right now, basically, we should hold the infrastructure of these higher highs and higher lows. So basically, what you're going to be looking at on a lower time frame perspective is a 5 wave until towards we head up. So pretty much you already know that 4 is 25% into 1, or 25% before 1, or right at 1. So we also have a fair value gap aligning right here. So what I'll more than likely be looking for is that retracement into this range and then that continuation towards the upside. Cool. So GBP NZD for y'all this week, another trade opportunity for y'all. Other than that, man, I really don't have anything else. Just want to hop on, give y'all some updates, let y'all know what I'm seeing, let y'all know what's been going active in the community. Man, if y'all are not following us, again, make sure y'all are following us. The link to our website is down below where you can find more information on our mentoring packages, the signals package, our monthly signals package, which has been on fire. Again, no losses this week. So you can imagine that everybody has just been compounding and making more and more and more and more and more and more and more money this week. It's insane week, man. So it's substantial growth throughout everybody. I have so many people messaging me this week about the amount of profit that they made. 300% gains this week. Y'all, I'm telling y'all, we have made numbers that y'all probably gonna say is fake, but if you're in the community, then you know. And the link is down below. It's free, so you can just click down low, join the free Telegram chat room, see for yourself. But the opportunity that I want to share with y'all that I was talking about towards the beginning, and again, this is something y'all definitely don't want to miss because nobody's doing this. I don't care what you say, nobody's doing this. So I have a program going where I am specifically holding y'all's hand and I am carrying y'all to a substantial amount of money. So I've taken a group of 200 people and they have started with balances from $200 to $400. So different people have different balances, right? And we've been able to substantially increase it. First of all, everybody's in the thousands, right? So you're talking about people turning $200 into thousands. I have people who've turned $400 into $10,000 plus. Like it's getting very insane. Like altogether, it's over, I think it was like 240 something thousand dollars collectively throughout everybody. So and we just started a whole nother round. So basically I'm helping y'all turn y'all small accounts into large accounts, and I'm giving y'all my signals that I personally take, so y'all can flip y'all's accounts. So we have specific risks that we're using in order to achieve the goal. So the long term goal is that in 21 trades y'all can turn a small amount of money, just a few $100s, into $1 million. Okay. In half of that amount of trades, you can turn a small amount of money into 5 to 6 figures. Right. So what I'm doing for y'all is simply holding y'all's hand and helping y'all through that challenge. Again, we went 14-0 this week. So again, like I said, a lot of people have turned $400 into 5 figures. Next week, we're gonna do it again. Another 10 trades, that 5 figures is going to turn into $1 million. So you can imagine that the problem that I'm having right now is making sure that the broker is going to be able to even hold all these withdrawals. That's the type of problems I'm having right now. Is I'm going to have to literally make sure that the broker I have everybody is with um is prepared for what's about to happen. So like these are the type of issues that I'm actually dealing with right now. But everybody is going crazy. Join the chat room. The link's down below. I posted a video of everybody's profits, man. Comments. Again, insane, man. Insane. So many people making so many different amounts of money. It's just insane. Um, Let me see if I can even show y'all. I don't even know if I can show y'all. No, I can't because it's only the way I have the screen the live stream saved. It's hooked to the actual this Google Chrome browser, so I can't bring my Telegram over so y'all can see the screen. But just join the Telegram. The link is down below, and you'll see as soon as you join, you'll see the video. But this is just half of the people, man, that have been making insane amount of money, bro. Some of these trades I even dropped in the Telegram for y'all too. So I mean, like y'all should have been making money throughout. Even the trades we missed, like Euro USD, um, fucking drop that in there for y'all. You know, so literally everything's been going crazy. So that opportunity is out for y'all. I'm gonna be over the next 3 weeks. I'm gonna be allowing people to maybe 2 weeks. Yeah, let's do 2 weeks. The next 2 weeks, I'm gonna be allowing you. This is first of all, this is completely free too. So I have this is completely free for me to make y'all this amount of money. It is completely free. That's what I'm saying. Nobody's doing this. It is completely fucking free. Okay. So with that being said, over the next 2 weeks, I'm going to be allowing people to join in. So the only requirements is that you are using our broker, which the link is down below. So you can sign up to our broker. The link is down below. and then you just need to make a deposit of anywhere between $300 and $400, and that's what you're going to be using to turn into thousands of dollars, right? So that's your money. Withdraw it whenever you want. I suggest you hold it, further into the challenge because it's going to continue to compound, right? But that's completely your money. Your bro, all you have to do is just be under us on our broker. That's it. Other than that, it's completely free. So once you sign up to the broker, simply just shoot us a message via email. You'll get a faster response if you just join the Telegram chat room, which is down below, and just say something in the chat room, and then I will get y'all into the Telegram where everybody else is. So literally hundreds of people are in these Telegrams, and they're making a shit ton of money. So that's the only requirement. Over the next 2 weeks, I'm going to be allowing more people to join. So again, y'all got 2 weeks. Do what you got to do. Get it together. Message me. You can send me a message on Telegram. You can send me a message via email. You have my email down below. Y'all can send me a message on TradingView. I would prefer y'all email me or send me a message on Telegram in the chat room. Um, and then I'll get y'all set up, man. Into the group, take the trades, follow the rules. Everything's in there. All you need to follow is in there. It's all self-explanatory. The risk that you need to use is in there. The entry, the stop loss, the TP is in there. When I enter that trade, I tell y'all when I enter that trade. When I close out that trade on my personal account, I tell y'all when I close out that trade. It's not just me showing y'all the chart and letting y'all figure it out. Like unless you have the premium signals, there's charts that I put out to where some of you guys are gonna have to put that education on top of it. Some of them I'm gonna hand feed y'all and I'm gonna show y'all the exact entry, stop loss, and TP. Right? Some of them I'm not. On this specific challenge, I am giving y'all the exact entry, stop loss, and TP. Every move that I make on my account, y'all are getting it. So y'all are able to literally flip and do this challenge with me. And again, we've already taken certain people to a high level. We're already done the challenge and completed stage 1. We're already doing stage 2 and it's on fire. We're gonna redo the challenge again for all of the other new people that are gonna be coming in the next 2 weeks. So in the next 2 weeks, I expect a couple of more hundred people. We'll probably stop this at maybe like 400 or 500 people, because I just don't want that many people. You gotta understand, that many people on somebody's broker, we're gonna break somebody. Like somebody going broke. So and it's not gonna be us. So either the broker gonna start just like canceling some of y'all out, or they're gonna start not giving y'all's withdrawals, and I just don't want that happening. So again, that's the only problem that we're gonna have to be dealing with now as I add more people. Is it's gonna be a lot of money that somebody gonna have to pay out, you know. So with that being said, the broker that I'm having you guys join is not the current broker that we're using. So we're actually using a different broker. But what I'm actually going to be doing going forward is having all of you guys use my current broker, which I do feel a lot more current with, like more comfortable with, as far as having a substantial amount of people on. So again, my broker link down below. I do have everybody on another broker. There's nothing wrong with the broker that everybody else is on. Everybody's been making withdrawals, thousands of withdrawals, 5K withdrawals from mind you, they started with $400, some people $300. They've made $5,000 withdrawals. Like accumulative, there's been over $200,000 in withdrawals, right? So there's been a shit ton of withdrawals, nothing, no issues, you know. But when we get into the millions and you're talking about certain people making a lot of fucking money in a day, 20, 30,000, 40,000, $50,000 in one trade, hundreds of people, it's gonna be millions of dollars, you know. So at that point, we gotta make sure that we get our money. So, but that's it, man. I just want to update y'all on that opportunity that is out for y'all. Again, I don't know too many people that's actually doing that, like really helping y'all make these types of money, um, and change y'all's lives. Like there's people who's making money that they've never even seen. Like I'm really helping people make money that they've never even seen trading before. Like they've just been losing thousands of dollars, as they've been trading over the years. So, and I understand that's a part of the journey, right? I used to lose thousands of dollars too. Again, it took me. I lost my first 6 to 7 years. I was just losing money, so I completely get it. Um, but at the same time, y'all found the right place. You're in the right place, so that's good. Again, don't take my word for it. Hang around the community. See for yourself. Watch, follow us on TradingView. Watch the charts that I post. The Telegram chat room is a lot more where y'all can see more accuracy because that's where I'm more active, right? So that's where you'll see a lot more. Join the signals group. See the signals for yourself. See the other what the other members are making. Join the Telegram chat room. See the comments that the other signal members are posting. Like we're going crazy, y'all. So don't miss out on all this money. Other than that, that's really all I have for y'all. Y'all have plenty of opportunities to make money with us as far as FXK. You got the mentoring program if you want to learn my personal strategy and learn how I trade, read these markets. You have that. And on my mentoring package, it is not basic. It is not basic at all. I go over so much for y'all in our mentoring package. It is ridiculous. And especially for the price that I charge y'all, it is ridiculous. I teach y'all everything. I teach y'all all, pretty much all of the methods. I teach y'all how to trade harmonics. I teach y'all how to trade Elliott waves. I teach y'all smart money concept. I teach y'all ICT. I teach y'all everything. You know what I'm saying? Like you get all of the methods, and then you get my personal strategies. I mean, you get from beginner. I mean, if you have never traded before, you get definitions. Like it goes from complete beginner to advanced. It starts off with what it like definitions of what is forex. Like it goes that beginner all the way to advanced, as advanced as it can go, y'all. I'm talking about from every Fibonacci sequence, different ways to use Fibonacci. I mean, just everything, everything that I use, from Elliott waves, everything. So, um, that's just the course alone. That's just like the basic course, right? Then you also have the 30-day boot camp that I offer you guys, which most people only give y'all like 5 days of boot camp. You really can't learn all this stuff in 5 days. So I literally give y'all a 30 days of education of my boot camp courses. And my boot camp course is literally low. Like the price of it is low. For 30 days of work, it's completely low. Like the value, y'all get tons of value. So that's one thing I try to keep for y'all is the value very high for what y'all pay for. So you get a substantial amount of value. Um, just the fact that the customer service that I give y'all is top tier. You know, like y'all get responses in like 4 or 5 minutes. Like how many people can y'all truly say that y'all can reach out to mentors, traders that y'all follow and actually get responses or even get them quick? You know, like y'all can literally send me a message and know that y'all are probably going to hear back from me quick. Like that's not even a thing with us to where it's like, oh, is he going to respond? How long is it going to take? It's not even a thing. Like y'all get A1 responses. So I take pride in that as well. Like y'all have so much. Y'all have the Forecaster Pro trading software. Y'all have the Dream Chaser Pro template for y'all. So for those of y'all that are indicator heads and just love MT4, love the more so robotic trading, I have robotic options for y'all. I mean, I have everything for y'all. So it's all there. Y'all have the monthly signals where y'all can actually follow the entry, stop loss, TP, and make money every single month. Hell, I'm even doing a flip challenge for y'all now to help y'all make money yourselves. So even if with the money that y'all make, if y'all want to then get education to learn how to trade, y'all have the option. But it's truly a like earn and learn because I'm really helping y'all make all of this money. Now, if y'all want to invest in y'all's education, that's up to y'all. If y'all want to take it to the next level, that's up to y'all. But it's really a true earn and learn. So y'all have so much value, and I take a lot of pride in that. But that's really all I got for y'all, man. I just ordered a new mic too, so I got the new mic today. So I hope y'all liking the actual sound quality of today's stream. I know previously it was kind of a little bit, which I thought it was a good mic. I'm not really into the whole all the equipment stuff, the tech savvy stuff, y'all. I just trade. So I had to like YouTube a video of the top best streaming mics. So I had to go like order me one of the best streaming mics so y'all can hear me a little bit clearer, even though we're not doing much with these mics, but it was a fucking expensive mic just so y'all can hear me a little bit clearer. Other than that, man, y'all have a great fucking weekend. We slaughtered the markets this week. I'm just truly excited, man, truly blessed and truly happy to see what's going to be coming as far as like going forward, man. So next week, I already got some shit lined up for y'all. I'm not going to share all that with y'all, but as of right now, I did share with y'all your USD and GBP NZD. So I keep your eyes on those trades for next week. Other than that, y'all have a great rest of y'all's day. If there's any updates as far as on GBP NZD, I will let y'all know in the Telegram chat room. Again, it's completely free and the link is down below. Make sure y'all are in so I can help y'all make money. That's my only goal, is helping y'all make money, helping y'all really see what's possible in these markets. I've been through so many bullshit courses and just so much like I really took all of the falls and the L's for y'all. I've already been through all the bullshit, so I know what works, what doesn't work. You know what I'm saying? So I help y'all skip all that. I help y'all skip all of the what doesn't work because I've already went through years of what doesn't work. So y'all get to skip all that with me, and I just get y'all straight to the good shit. So that's good and that's a blessing, man. Y'all have that opportunity. I appreciate all of y'all for tuning in. I'm about to go out, grab me something to eat, man. Give me a little champagne, enjoy myself. Y'all know I'm gonna be taking my iPad with me because I'm gonna be charting while I'm out. Other than that, I will catch y'all probably Sunday on the stream, and I'll probably drop y'all another new chart on Sunday as well, so y'all can have a little bit more for next week. It'll probably just be one chart. So usually I try to give y'all two charts a week on these streams. So that's the new thing that we're doing. So as of right now, I already gave y'all two, which is Euro USD and GBP NZD, and I'll probably give y'all one more on Sunday. I also gave y'all the DXY this today, so that pretty much tells y'all what a lot of the dollar pairs should be doing. So y'all got a lot for y'all, man. But other than that, appreciate y'all, and I'll catch y'all later.